Ain't nobody better. I don't wait for nobody. I just want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another exciting video. Long time no see, long time no wig, but we're back. So today's wig review is so exciting. Like, if you want to see what wig I'm talking about, keep on watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and rocking with me. And yeah, so today's video is proudly brought to us by Myfirstwig. Yeah, this is actually one of my favorite wig brands. The quality of their hair is out of this world. I've worked with them before and I've actually shopped from them also, so you can tell by that I actually love this wig. And their hair is like premium quality, like bomb quality. So this is how the box came. It's a white box. Return my first wig, quality wigs for beginners. It's a pretty box. I love Myfirstwigs. So inside the box is first thing that's in the box is the order information. So it has the name of the units, the number, the texture, length, hair color, cap size, cap construction. Everything is written down here. Then they have the wig caps. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be here. I hope you can tell, like, I have missed this. This is my first time in a long time doing a wig review, and I'm so glad. Like, I'm so happy to be here. So yeah, a wig cap. And then this pretty bag, return my first wig, quality wigs for beginners. Inside the bag is a comb, my favorite comb in the world, and 2 hair clips in black. I actually don't have hair clips in black. So yeah, the next thing that's in the package is a wig bag. And this is why I love Myfirstwig. It's the fact that they give you like this cute wig bags where you can put your wig and stuff. So yeah, and inside the wig bag is obviously the wig. So it's a 20-inch fringe wig in the color 1B. And so this is how it looks. So here is where the bangs are, and this is like the rest of the wig. So the cap construction is in scalp top wig. That means there's no lace, absolutely no lace. So that means it's so easy to install and so quick, and it's so convenient. Like, I'm so glad it's not a lace wig. I haven't had a scalp top wig before, but I'm so excited to try. So this is how the inside looks. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and there's 2 strings at the back to help you secure your wig. So this is what we're working with today, and if you want to see how quick and easy it is to install this wig, keep on watching. Whew, okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is how the wig looks before styling it. So this is straight out of the box. I feel like you can still get away with this. I mean, it's not that bad, but okay. But I want to straighten my wig. Like, I feel like it, because I've had the bangs wig in curls before, so I want it straight. So that's what I'm gonna do. So for that, I won't be talking through it. I'm just gonna fast forward, not fast forward, but I'm gonna put music through that. So yeah, let's do it.
Don't be scared, don't you go. much love. Too much love, too much. Too much is too much love. Too much love, too much. Too much is too much love. Too much love, too much. Too much is too much love. Too much love, too much.
So guys, right now I'm just going in with the scissors because I felt like the bang was too heavy or too bulky, and I just wanted it to look a bit more simple. So I'm just cutting inside the bang, just so it can be a bit light. You get, yeah.
I don't hide like this. I don't drink anything I see. I never prayed for this. I never knew it could end like this. Well, if you're done with me, oh baby, go just set me free. Cause I don't do crazy like this. But your love, I didn't lose my senses. Fine.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. As you all have seen, it was so easy to install this wig. You don't need a lot of things. You literally need your flat iron and your comb. And yeah, a big thank you to Myfirstwig for sending me this gorgeous wig. And for today's video, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Thank you for watching, and all the details will be in the description bar, so make sure you check the description bar and get yourself this beautiful gorgeous silky hair. You'll see, as in normally it's like soft, silky, smooth, premium hair. Get into it. So see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching until this far. It was so fun doing this video. I can't wait to do more and more videos. I'm so glad to be back. I'm so excited to be back. See you guys on my next video.